Okay, I'm going to do a little video, just a little quick one here. Installing a rain gauge. I like to use Bosch cordless drill. Hopefully it's charged enough. And you figure out, you want it to be out of the wind where it can get some rain. That was a railroad tie. And they don't drill very good in the railroad ties, and I got way too long of screws. This is a lacrosse rain gauge. I don't know where they make them. Wisconsin, maybe? There you go. We've ruined the bit already. But it's straight. Uh-oh. We have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Tip number 1. Make sure the rain gauge will fit out of the screws that you're using. I got my rain gauge. It's got these little notches. You pick it up and you dump it out. But the screws I used, the heads are too big. So don't come out. What the heck? Amateur hour. So if you want to know how to not put up a rain gauge, you follow me.